Hello again, everyone. Imagine waking up every day feeling stronger, more energetic, and fully prepared to tackle whatever life brings your way. All without the constant worry about losing muscle as you age. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that could make a real difference in how you feel and function. Say goodbye to muscle decline with these 7 superfoods that are proven allies against sarcopenia. If you've ever wondered why your muscles seem weaker over time, or you're looking for natural ways to boost your strength and vitality, you're in the right place. These foods can truly reshape your journey to better health. Before we jump in, don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. By doing this simple thing, you'll stay up to date with our latest health insights, and show your dedication to living a strong, healthy life. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to keep sharing the best advice for your well-being. In this video, we'll break down each food in a simple, easy-to-follow way, starting from number 7 and working our way up to the number 1 best food for fighting muscle loss. Whether you're just beginning your health journey or looking to fine-tune your nutrition, this guide is your go-to resource for stronger muscles and lasting vitality. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is an ancient grain that has gained respect for its outstanding nutrition. Although it's technically a seed, it's often used like a grain and delivers a powerful combination of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's proof that small things can offer big benefits. What makes quinoa extra special is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein that supports muscle growth and repair naturally. The fiber it provides helps you feel satisfied longer, which is great for managing weight while working on muscle strength. Its mild, nutty flavor and adaptable texture make it easy to enjoy in countless ways. You can add it to salads, soups, or even use it as a healthier substitute for rice. Including quinoa in your meals regularly gives your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong and ready for anything. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy, delicious food that also happens to be loaded with nutrients that support strong muscles. It's made by straining regular yogurt, resulting in a thicker consistency and higher protein levels. Thanks to its rich protein content, Greek yogurt is ideal for muscle recovery and development. It's perfect after a workout or as a daily snack to keep your protein intake up. Besides protein, it's also an excellent source of calcium, essential for strong bones and proper muscle contraction. Greek yogurt contains probiotics too, which promote good digestion and help your body absorb nutrients efficiently. Enjoy it plain, mix in some fresh fruit, or drizzle with a little honey for a tasty, healthy treat that keeps your muscles energized. 5. Salmon. Salmon is far more than just a flavorful fish. It's a complete package of nutrients that power up your muscles and protect your overall health. One of its biggest strengths is its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and speed up muscle recovery. By reducing inflammation, salmon helps your muscles heal faster after activity, supporting long-term strength and stamina. It's also full of high-quality protein, exactly what your body needs to repair and build muscle fibers. Salmon also brings valuable vitamins like B12 and D into your diet, as well as minerals such as selenium, all of which contribute to a healthy, active body. Whether you grill it, bake it, or steam it, adding salmon to your menu is a tasty and effective way to protect your muscle health. 4. Eggs. Eggs are incredibly versatile and packed with nutrients that directly benefit your muscles. Each egg is a complete source of high-quality protein, key for rebuilding and maintaining muscle after any physical effort. They're rich in amino acids, the basic elements your body uses to create and repair muscle tissue. Eggs also provide important vitamins like D, for bone support, and B12, which helps produce energy at the cellular level. Along with vitamins, eggs contain essential minerals like selenium and choline that support overall health. No matter how you prepare them, boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, adding eggs to your meals is a smart move to support strength and recovery naturally. They're an excellent, anytime meal that delivers serious nutrition. 3. Spinach. Spinach is more than just a leafy vegetable, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can do wonders for your muscle health. This green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like magnesium and iron that play a big part in how your muscles work and stay strong. It's also full of antioxidants that combat stress and inflammation, which can damage muscle tissue over time. By reducing this internal stress, spinach helps your muscles recover and function more effectively. Plus, it's rich in fiber, which supports good digestion and better absorption of nutrients from the foods you eat. You can add spinach to salads, blend it into smoothies, or lightly sauté it as a tasty side. Making spinach a regular part of your meals ensures your muscles get the support they need to stay active and resilient. 2. Almonds. Almonds aren't just crunchy and satisfying, they're full of muscle-supporting nutrients. They offer a solid source of plant-based protein, which helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue after exercise. They also deliver healthy fats that support long-term strength and energy. One of almonds' key nutrients is vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects your muscles from stress and damage. They also provide plenty of magnesium, which is vital for proper muscle function, helping your muscles contract and relax efficiently. Snacking on almonds or adding them to meals provides a steady stream of energy and helps reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. They're a simple, delicious way to support strong muscles every day. 1. Chicken breast. Taking the top spot on our list is chicken breast, a classic go-to for anyone focused on building and maintaining muscle. It's lean, packed with high-quality protein, and provides all the amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. Thanks to its low fat content, chicken breast fits easily into a balanced diet while supporting your fitness goals. It's also rich in B vitamins, which play a key role in converting food into usable energy and keeping your metabolism running efficiently. Chicken breast is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can grill it, bake it, or stir-fry it to fit just about any recipe. Including chicken breast regularly in your meals ensures your muscles get exactly what they need to grow stronger, recover faster, and perform their best. We're so grateful you joined us today. We hope this video gave you helpful insights and encouragement as you work towards stronger, healthier muscles. Just remember, consistency is key. The small changes you make in what you eat can lead to major improvements over time. If you found this video useful or inspiring, please give it a like, share it with loved ones, and subscribe for more simple, powerful health tips. Your support helps us keep bringing you the content that supports your journey to better health. Stay committed to your wellness goals. Keep moving forward, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's to a future of strength, energy, and lasting vitality.